Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. This is Odoo in Practice, Episode 6 of 10. Purchase. Stay until the end. I will tell you what to watch next and why. If sales is how goods leave, purchase is how they arrive. A vendor is a contact. An RFQ is a draft, what you might buy, at what price. Confirm the purchase order, and you have a commitment to the vendor. When the truck arrives, inventory records a receipt against that order. On-hand quantity goes up. Later, invoicing records the vendor bill. That is three-way match: purchase order, receipt, bill. Do not skip the receipt. Open purchase for RFQs and orders. Open inventory when you receive. The same product you sell in sales is the product you buy here, one catalog. Reordering rules and dropship exist. First, a human RFQ. Confirm, receive. If you never buy stock, you may live on services only. Then this episode is still how you buy subcontracting. Purchase, contacts and inventory only, buying and receiving. RFQs and purchase orders. Confirm is the promise to the vendor. Receipts land here. On hand does not change until you validate. Takeaways. Vendor first. Confirm the PO. Receive and inventory. Buying is on the page. Watch episode 7 next. Inventory. Warehouses, pickings, on-hand quantity. Receipts and deliveries are not real until you validate them. Thank you for listening to Odoo in Practice. Visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.